Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead and welcome to Fabric Friday. It's been several months since I've done any quilting, so I thought to do a practice, and I did a bit, and as you could possibly see there, this is actually a practice piece, which I don't normally do. I normally do things with something in mind. And how I start a practice is do something that you're used to doing, which is writing your name, so your hand has that memory of how you write your name. Your muscle memory is working. So for me it's my name, Liz. And then I just work around the outside. So I've now gone and just echoed my previous stitches. We can take these threads away because it's a bit on the annoying side. We can now decide what to do. In this one I did a feather up the side and I did paisleys round it. I'm not sure what to do now. You can do some stippling if you want it, but this is very awkward to do with this camera here. Let's try that position. Now, stippling is just very easy. Last year I did that unicorn fabric and I just went round and round it, and that's all stippling is. Now you can do loops. And you can change the loops into leaves. Got them all, well, both of them going up. Let's have one down. There's one down. And let me show you what a leaf is. You just go straight out and then bring it round and see if you can stop it there, and that'll give you a nice point to your leaf. And then bring it down and to make it look more like a leaf I always put the middle in and back down again. And you can have a very thin one, which I've got there. And a very fat one. Don't worry if you can't stay exactly on the line. I can't at the moment because the camera's in my way, but the overall effect is still quite good. Now that's your leaves. Stipplings there. You can do your stippling bigger instead of a small like we did here. You can do micro stippling, which is very small, or very large. There's a large, and then we'll do some small. Throwing the loop again. Whoop. Something's gone funny with the sewing machine. Back to you in a minute. Hello, I thought I'd just show you that it does happen to all of us from time to time. The top thread loosened, which does happen on occasions. It loosened and unhooked itself from the system of hooks and loops. You have to put it round, and so that's what happened on the back of it. So a practice sheet is quite good because you can get used to it. I know that if I put my thread on the top of the machine, does not work as well as thread on my stand. So I've changed the thread now because I'm actually going to move on to some actual quilting, but that's what I did before, and this is just a bit of what we've done now. And so start off with your name. Your hand knows how to write that, so it's quite easy for you to write it while you're sewing. Thank you. Bye.